Welcome to Cooking with Miss Smith and
Nathan's French.
What are we making today, Nathan?
Today we are making the confetti cake.
Why?
We are celebrating a couple of birthdays today.
I guess you'll have to watch to find out whose birthday.
Today we are cooking a confetti cake. And today we are using this Blue's Clues cake pan.
Does that have a birthday hat on it?
Yes, it does.
Why'd you choose Blue's Clues?
Now this Blue's Clues cake pan reminds me of an old birthday episode of the show itself from the original, to be very exact.
Sweet.
Now we got all the materials that we need right here. Eggs, and some oil, and cups of the amount that we need. But unfortunately, instead of using one, because our cake pan is big, we need to use two of them. Now, we need to start off by cutting out the cake mix. Excuse me. Now, we'll just use the scissors and carefully cut it out. Remember, if you're a little too young to be using the scissors like this, ask an adult for help. There's one cake mix. Then we need to do it again with the other. Normally you would do one cake mix at a time for just one cake. So when you have a bigger cake pan, you'll need two. And here we go. Now we'll need to add a total of 6 of these 1/4 cup.
What is that?
We're using it on this egg-free, cage-free.
Egg whites.
Egg whites, sorry.
Yeah.
Now carefully spread it around.
One.
Then we go through it again. And again.
Two. Three. Three. Four. Make sure you're filling it all the way to the top. 5. One more. And 6. Nice job.
Thanks. As you can see, I'm about to add some olive oil in here.
How much?
Technically, we'll have to use the whole cup since this cake pan is huge.
Good job.
Now we need to mix them all together until there's no more liquid. I use one hand to stir, the other to hold this bowl. Now I'm going to start by using this coconut oil on his cake pan shaped from the original version of Blue's Clues.
I'm gonna hold it up, bud. Kind of like straight. Yeah, there you go. Nice job. Why are you spraying that?
So the cake does not get stuck.
Is it all good now?
Here's a spot.
All right,
Should we
looks
do it
good. Nice job.
Thank you. Now, I shall carefully put this inside the oven.
Should probably set the timer for a good 25 minutes. And then more, hit more. There you go.
$25, is that right?
Mm-hmm. Got it.
And where's the start button?
It starts. There you go. Nice job.
Now, while we wait for our cake to cook, I'm going to sing to you one of my favorite songs from Blue's Clues, the original to be precise. From Blue's big musical movie by Ray Charles, There It Is. The pieces, but they don't make a whole. In order to make music, you have got to give it soul. Yeah. Reach down deep inside you and pull up something to feel. And that's what makes it special. Something you can't feel. You get me? Alright. Music makes me move, makes me happy, got the groove. Oh, when you hear it, if you feel it, the music is in you, get the spirit. Hey, hey, shoo-ba-dee-day, ah, beep-a-bay. Hey, hey, I can't say where it comes from, but when you sing, there it is. Now we are gonna sing the birthday song to dedicate our birthdays to Miss Kay and Miss Otto. Lizzie, would you sing a birthday song?
I would love to. Can you start us out?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Miss Katie and Miss Otto. Happy birthday to you.
Now take a look at this, ladies and gents. We have finished our Blue's Clues cake. It's a little bit, it's okay looking.
So what happened right here?
When we got it up,
It probably stuck a little to the pan,
yeah.
which happens all the time with cakes. But if you look at it, you can still see his face, the party hat, his ears, and his paws right here.
Mm-hmm.
Nice job, Nate.
Why, thank you.
And happy birthday. Thanks for coming to Cooking with Miss Smith. And
Nathan French.
the confetti cake is so good.
You'll have to try it someday.
And happy birthday to Miss Katie and Miss Otto.
Happy birthday to both of y'all.
Have a great weekend.
See you next time.